Hey Jake, what did you eat for lunch today?
Hmm, I had fried rice again. I think I love it too much.
Again? You eat that every day?
Maybe. I can't live without it. It's so good. Fried rice is from China, right?
Yes, China is famous for rice and noodles, and people share food a lot there.
Oh, share food? Like how?
In restaurants, they put dishes in the middle. Everyone takes a little from each dish. It's fun.
That's cool. I wish we did that here. I always eat alone.
Well, maybe next time. By the way, have you tried kimchi?
Kimchi. That's the spicy cabbage, right? From Korea.
Exactly. It's sour and spicy. People eat it almost every day in Korea, especially in cold weather.
Every day? Wow. I think I'd need a lot of water.
Yes, and kimchi is made from vegetables. Rice is often the main ingredient in meals with kimchi.
Wait, vegetables? And it's spicy and sour. Hmm, I think I might like it.
Careful, Jake. Some people love it so much they can't live without it. You could say, I can't live without kimchi.
I see. That's strong love for food.
Also, some foods grow in different regions. Mangoes, for example, grow in tropical regions with hot weather.
Tropical regions, like near the equator?
Exactly. And cold regions are, well, cold. People there like hot soups and warm meals.
I get it. Hot food for cold places, spicy food for adventurous eaters.
Yes, and this is why food is so fun. You can learn about a country just by tasting their meals.
Wow, learning English, learning about food, this is fun.
Exactly. And it's not just food, it's culture, taste, and conversation.
I can't wait for lunch tomorrow. Maybe I'll try kimchi with my fried rice.
Let's see how it goes.
Emma, I tried something new yesterday.
Oh, really? What was it?
I had fish and chips from England. It was very crispy.
Ah, yes. Fish and chips is very popular in England. They usually fry the fish and serve it with potatoes.
Fried potatoes everywhere. But it was delicious.
Yes, and sometimes they add vinegar or salt on top. That's how they like it.
I also tried some German food, sausages.
Sausages are called Wurst in Germany. People eat them with bread, mustard, and sometimes sauerkraut.
Sauerkraut? That's cabbage, right?
Yes, it's fermented cabbage, very healthy and traditional.
Hmm, I like it. It tastes sour a little, but yummy.
And in Iran, they eat kebab with rice. Ingredients are meat, spices, sometimes vegetables.
Kebab with rice. That's so different from Germany.
Yes, every country has its own special taste and style.
And India. I tried curry. It's spicy, very spicy.
Spicy curry. Indians use lots of spices like turmeric, cumin, and chili. Rice is usually the main ingredient.
Wow, spicy food. I need water.
Yes, but it's delicious. And in Mexico, tacos.
Tacos. Oh, they put meat, cheese, beans, and sometimes vegetables, right?
Exactly. And people eat tacos with their hands. It's fun and traditional.
So every country has special ingredients, taste, and way to eat.
Yes, and this is why talking about food helps you understand culture and learn English naturally.
I love it. I can say I can't live without tacos, curry, or fried rice.
Wow, that's a big food love.
Yes, and I'm learning new words too, like ingredient, Main ingredient, spicy, sour.
Perfect. And next time, we can try more foods from different countries.
I can't wait. Emma, I tried something really sweet yesterday.
Oh, what did you try this time?
I had apple strudel from Germany. Wow, it was so soft and sweet.
Yes, apple strudel is very popular in Germany. It has apples, cinnamon, sugar, and sometimes raisins. People bake it until golden.
Golden and yummy. I can see why people love it.
And in France, croissants, fluffy, buttery, and sometimes filled with chocolate.
Croissants, oh, I love those. The chocolate ones are amazing.
Yes, the French make them with flour, butter, sugar, and chocolate, and they eat them often for breakfast.
And in England, sticky toffee pudding.
Sticky toffee pudding is sweet, soft, and very sticky. They usually make it with dates, sugar, flour, and butter, and it's often served with cream or custard.
Wow, so many desserts. Sweet, sticky, chocolatey. I'm in heaven.
Yes, and desserts are not just food. They tell about a country's culture. For example, croissants are French, strudel is German, sticky toffee pudding is English.
I see, and ingredients are always important. Apples and strudel, chocolate and croissants, dates and sticky toffee pudding.
Exactly. The main ingredient gives the dessert its flavor, and sometimes desserts mix tastes, sweet and slightly bitter or sweet and salty.
Like chocolate croissant, a little bitter chocolate and sweet pastry.
Yes, and French and German desserts often use spices like cinnamon or nutmeg.
Nutmeg, that's a little spicy, right?
Just a little. It makes desserts tasty and interesting.
I also love tasting desserts because every country has its own style, ingredients, and traditions.
Exactly. In England, people often eat desserts after meals. In France, pastries are part of breakfast or snack. And in Germany, desserts are shared with family or friends.
I see. Food is culture, taste, and fun all together.
Yes, and talking about desserts helps you learn English naturally without sitting in a classroom.
I love it. I can say, I can't live without strudel, croissants, or sticky toffee pudding.
Wow, big dessert love, Jake.
And I'm learning words too. Ingredient, main ingredient, sweet, sticky, buttery.
Perfect. And now it's time to say goodbye.
Yes, thanks for joining our dessert adventure, everyone.
Try new desserts, enjoy the flavors, and practice English at the same time.
Exactly. See you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.